happiness, achievements, offers, whether that's small offers, big offers. I do see you achieving something here, target goals. Yan, magsisimula siguro sa mga maliliit na mga bagay, no? And you're heading towards something big and you do not know what that is. But I'm getting that this is your energy. Alam mo, parang palaki ng palaking liwanag, no? And the liwanag is the energy here of blessings coming sa'yo. It looks like your hard work is being paid off right here. Wow. So let me see. Thank you so much ha. Kung narinig ko yung ingay in my background, that is out of my control, mga babes. So let's go ahead and check this real-time energies. No, yeah. Real-time energies, miss yan. Yeah, yun ang atin dito na nakuhang messages na from the spirits. No? Though this is timeless, of course, sweetheart. No? But we're getting the real-time energies. What's really happening to you right now? Who are you connecting with right now in this present moment? Yeah, let's go ahead and check that. Let's go. Oh, the Hermit, top energy. This is victory, the Six of Wands. We have the Tower, okay. Center of the reading, Seven of Coins to the Four of Coins and the Lovers, okay. Empress, wow. In this part now, I'm getting that, who cares? Kaya naman, and that's your vibe. Wow, that's so powerful. Out of that, we have the Ten of Coins, the Chariot, and the Page of Swords. Wow. It looks like the universe, no, ay pinapalakpakan ka dito, no, congratulating you that whatever decision you made, pwedeng in the past or pwedeng recently, that is coming in pretty strong, sweetheart. So, ibig sabihin, no, pinapalakpakan ka ni universe dito, no, dahil sa madaling salita from the looks of this, buti na lang, tinigil mo na rito, no, yung iyong kabaliwan with this person. Hindi mo na siya iniisip, hindi ka na rin open for love with this person na niloko ka, ginawan ka ng hindi maganda, binitrade ka. Buti na lang, hindi mo daw siya hinabol at buti na lang nagdesisyon ka ng mag-back out, no? You stop chasing this person here or maybe you did not chase, but you stop thinking, you release the remaining love for this person right in here because hindi ka deserve yung love coming from you. And, okay, tama yung ginawa mo because kung nagpatuloy ka na i-chase yung person na yun, no, your ex-lover, your life ay madadamay dahil miserable ang buhay niya ngayon. Whoa! It's coming in pretty big, ha? So it's a brand new start for you guys. The moment you hold back your energy from this person, the moment you stop caring, the moment you stop loving this person here, you've released yourself. Freedom, no? Pinalaya mo yung sarili mo habang siya, with the Eight of Swords energy right in here, stuck siya rito ngayon sa kanyang situation sa life, no? At hindi lang yon. I'm seeing na karamihan pa sa kanila, dalawa silang nasa stuck dito ngayon. So, pwedeng may third party situation na pinagsisihan niya ngayon na bakit yun ang pinili niya na katandem or partner dito, hindi naman pala siya rito matutulungan. In other words, wala daw siya ritong napala doon sa person na yun, no? Plus, maaaring everything that, talkative, hindi talkative, yung ingay na, sa tenga, no? Yung parang lata na kinakalidkad. Ganong energy na. So, how can I describe this? Sige, bungangera. Maaaring bungangera yung person na yun or yung sa parang salita, sabat na sabat. Yung parang may problema na nga, 'Di ba? Para makapag-isip, you need to calm down or if you cannot calm down, you just need to stop talking, okay, so that you can clear your mind, 'no? Hindi makapag-isip yung ex-lover mo because napakaingay ng kung sino man yung kanya ritong third party or kung sino man yung kasama niya na yung other man na yan, 'no? Dahil nga itong other man ay nagsisisi na rin na bakit pinatuloy niya itong person mo na ito 'no, so parang naiisip rito 'no, ng third party na isang malaking kasyungahan na etong person mo ang pinili niya ritong akitin or itong person mo na ito ang napili niya, bala shit siya, problema na nila yun. But the universe ay napawaw sa'yo because sakto na nung nagsimulang magsulputan ng mga problema, nakawala at nakaalis ka na rin sa kanya. And it is a brand new start for you, babe. You are heading towards the vibe of the Empress. Walang problema. Kung meron man daan lang, okay? At pag-uusapan ka nitong mga ito 'no, so nakikita ko dito na who cares, bakit? Kasi itong mga tao na ito ay ang mga taong nakapaligid sa yung ex-lover na parang pinabayaan kasi ni collective yun si ano, yung ex niya kaya naghanap yun ng iba. Yung mga gano'n, yung mga komento na negatibo 'no, yun yung nakaapekto rito 'no, sa person mo way back din kaya napunta siya sa maling tao rin para sa kanya pero magiging tamang tao yun kasi para matuto siya, 'di ba? Whatever the case may be, that is just a catalyst, that is a karmic lesson, not a karmic anchor. Yan o. O, bala siya diyan. Pili-pili siya, mali siya. Ikaw, tamang daan ang nilalakaran mo. No? This pregnant woman right here is an indication na you're not, and this is not about the pregnancy literally, but this is the birth of new life for you. This is a new beginning we're in. Hindi ka na mahihirapan when it comes to money and other problems. No, masasolusyonan mo lang dito. Maybe not in a very smooth na process, but you will definitely come out with a solution and you will not get stuck into a problem for a long time. Okay, because your life will be balanced right in here. Number three, could be seeing a lot of spiritual number three or even number 333. And you do not care about what other people say. Okay, go ahead, talk about me. I don't care. And I don't care about the person na nililink mo sa akin, yung ex ko. I don't care about him or her anymore. It's not my problem anymore. I'm happy with my life. I'm done. Whatever the case may be, wow, you're so powerful. You're stepping into your own power right here and you are very grounded. Wala ritong kahit na anong makakaapekto rito sa'yo, no? And you're maintaining your peace, sweetheart, na finally, naabot ka na rin dito ng peace be with you. Very kalmado na ang iyong energy with this Nine of Pentacles, no? You're just doing your own thing, minding your own business here, no? Maybe you're paying attention with yourself. Okay? It looks like may mga suitor siya dumadating na, but if you don't feel them, then they're out. Wow! Oh, you're right, ah. You're using your intuition here because you are the Empress, no? Malakas ang intuition mo. Yung intuition mo ay on point. So, pag may dumating bagong tao, and lalo na kung sila ay suitors or gusto ritong pumasok sa iyong heart, no? Hindi ka nahihirapan na magdesisyon because nararamdaman na sila agad their intentions, the purity of their intentions, if they are here just for fun, okay, wanting to play mind tricks or anything like games, no, you're not in para dun. So I do see that this is you. You do not need anyone to be happy actually, or you're into this type of energy. I'm busy right now dealing with my own life, diba? So I do see that you are happy with yourself. Parang ngayon ko lang na-enjoy yung life ko talaga, miss yan, na akala ko hindi ko kaya maging single, kapag kawala siya parang hindi ko kaya, no, yun pala, akala ko lang pala yun. Yes, akala mo lang yun, no? Because this is you, you are meant for um, offers na mas malaki pa dito, no, sa inaasahan mo, no. So, eto kasing tao na 'to, yung ex mo kasi dumating yan sa life mo, no, karmic lesson lang siya. That is not your karmic anchor, no. Hindi siya yung person here for you guys, no. This is just a significant catalyst to wake you up, no? Gising, you are in a very long bangungot na, like a nightmare dito, no? Eh, paano ko ba masabi, Miss Yan, na I am in a very long nightmare, no? This person here, you treated him or her na siya yung pinaka dapat mo i-prioritize, no? You always forget about yourself. It's your money, pero binibigay mo sa kanya, tinutulong mo sa kanya. Pinaghirapan mo yan, pero binibigay mo sa kanya, inaabot mo sa kanya. Tapos, importante yung gagawin mo sa work, kung ma-absent ka kasi mas kailangan ka niya. See? You are depriving yourself. You are always making una this person right in here. And look at what this person here did to you. Diba? So, parang na-drain ang energy mo rito. Pinahalagahan mo siya rito ng sobra-sobra. And then, ito yung pag-pay ng price niya rito sa'yo, ang betrayal, ang panluloko, ang pag-cheat, ang pag-deceive, ang pag-lie dito sa'yo. Diba? So I do see that whoever this energy is, you're done. You stop caring about this person here. You do not love him anymore. If there's still love, you are willing to release it and you are not hesitating, you are not in doubt. I don't like that person here back in my life, Miss Yan. I'm okay with myself right now. If may dumating, then go. Pag wala, then may darating. May entertain ko. If he or she is not someone na mararamdaman ko na pure ang intention sa akin, then bakit ako magbibigay ng chance para sa isang person kahit na siya ay isang new love pa? Yes. Wow, kaya mo na dito, no? Na i-handle ang iyo ditong life. Na plus, ang ganda kasi alam mo, marami talaga sa inyo yung parang last year or may nagsimula last year dito nakita ko no, may nagsimula dito last year sa inyo, sweethearts, no? Na ang tema ng inyong life ay ang self-love, self-care. Okay? Not because you are now into this type of empress vibe. Doesn't have to be that you do not need love or love is not for you or wala nang darating dito as your partner. No, no, it's not. Patapos na kayo actually doon sa era ng mahal niyo na yung sarili ninyo. No, ask yourself right now. Okay? Or look at yourself in front of the mirror. Okay? Look at yourself in front of the mirror and compare yourself. Kung tinitingnan mo yung sarili mo, dati, nung kakunik mo pa to, okay? Mukha kang losyang dati. Hindi ka nakakapag-ayos, hindi ka nakakabili ng lipstick kasi kahit yun na binibigay mo pa pang bisyo niya, diba? Hindi mo naayos yung sarili mo kasi ikaw naglalaban, nagluluto, ikaw yung lahat-lahat nagtatrabaho, yung dito tapos siya, okay, doing lang yung kanya mga gusto ritong gawin, no? Or kung hindi man tungkol sa mga ganong bagay, no, you are always stressed because of that person. And look at how stress-free you are right now. Now ask yourself, kaya mo na ba ngayon na bilhin yung mga bagay na hindi mo kayang bilhin para sa sarili mo dati? Okay? And if the answer is yes, then definitely you are now in this type of energy na mahal mo na sarili mo. Kaya mo na ba dito unahin yung sarili mo kaysa ang ibang tao? Then if your answer is yes, that doesn't have to be that you are becoming selfish or whatever. This is universe teaching you to love yourself so that you can attract someone who can love you for who you are. The perfect match for you. Yan. And then someone is coming ba, miss? Someone is coming. Someone is coming to town. But it's not Santa Claus here, no? But this person ay coming in this months. Yan, maybe not this September, but this might be mid-October onwards. Okay? Yeah, before 2026 ends, this person here ay coming to ya. And this person right in here, no, just by observing you, he or she will know you're the one. Okay? Wow! This person with the Ten of Coins energy is the energy here of someone na meant for you, na makabuo mo ng family. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo here. Meant to stay in your life. Wow. Okay. So, initials that I'm getting right in here, we have capital letter A, P, P, L, J, LJ. Okay, just like only what resonates. We also have here N, F, I don't know if the next one is I or number one because I'm getting confused with the super um not really visible na quit. Okay, but if it's letter I, then let's go for that. And if it's number one, this is new beginning here, of course, with your life. It's a fresh start here, no? And everything ay nag-unfold naturally sa yung favor. Okay, so claim that. And, okay, small letters na as we have small letters A, D as in dog, S, G, T, B as in boy, and last but not the least, we have O. So, ito yung mga nakuha ko mensahe rating sa'yo, guys. So, ganun Rihanna, only for the girls and Rihanna din for the boys. Parang kaya love and light ito. Ayun.